Kindly like and subscribe. In this video we installed CCTV cameras, internet network booster. The building is 4 floors residential duplex, basement, ground floor, first floor, second floor. Starting with the CCTV cameras, devices used. Four wireless cameras, 30 IP cameras, 16 channels MVR main control, 8-channel DVR for security house view, post switches, 2 TV screens. Installation process of the wired IP cameras. Inspection of the installed camera. Still on inspection of the installed cameras. Like and subscribe. Wireless cameras. Wireless camera configuration process. After completing the configuration, add the wireless camera to the NVR. After we successfully added the cameras to the NVR, we proceed to install the wireless camera to its different location. Confirm if it's properly and neatly installed. After thorough inspection, we proceed to main control to view all the cameras. The security surveillance system was designed to have 3 display units excluding the remote view, which makes it 4-unit viewing point. Internet network. Devices used: Starlink 6 type link indoors, AP110, 2 GB switches. We configured the access point and installed it. We use Gen 3 Starlink as the ISP provider. After configuration and installation, we ping IP response. Network booster. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.